Howdy everyone, this is Green Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments, and I'm taking a look at this gorgeous apartment. This is the one bedroom, and we're gonna go walk into the bedroom and bath. So I'm really excited. Wow, this is a king bed. This is so easily fitting in here. Love this space. It's just easily fitting. And just love the way this looks, love those feels. It's just gorgeous. This is the very nice dresser that's really large, and it fits in kind of the space that's carved out for it. Really nice. I love it that it overlooks the balcony too. That's super pretty. But man, I cannot get over this bed. I love this bed. We walk into the bathroom, and the bathroom looks like this. So it's a dual sink bathroom, just gorgeous. Dual sink. And then it's got a nice tub and shower, so very pretty. And then you walk into the closet. The closet looks gorgeous, just super pretty, and great space. And then let's walk back out just so you can complete the tour. And we've kind of made the circle and come back in. It's such a super pretty apartment, isn't it? Hey, wouldn't you like to take a tour? I'd recommend to do like a virtual tour. We can schedule that for you on iPhone so that you can see the Hanover Buffalo Bayou. There's a lot of floor plans here, so you can see what's available. And we'll set that for you right now, even today. Send me a text. Use my number below. That's my direct number. Just say, hey, Grant, and we'll go from there.